be true. Speculating, a long time waiting to hear a word back from you. Conversations in my head got me conflicted with what you said. I tend to second guess myself, like too much, cause I think that
Hey guys, good morning. Welcome back to another weekly vlog. I have a couple of stuff to do here in my room. I wanted to change some of the wall stuff. I wanted to add extra frames over there. This is the one I have here, this one and this one, but I'm thinking I should add an extra one here. What do you guys think? I don't want it to be too much, but why I said so, this bed, half of the bed is, the window is occupying half of it. I feel if I put one here, it's going to be too much. But let me know what you think anyways in the comment section, or this is okay, but this is what I have here.
easy to be misunderstood. No one knows I'm acting every time they're asking. Make them believe that it's all good. Faking smiles and laughing, playing like I'm happy all the time. The girl who can do everything, never bothered by anything. Crying till I can't cry no more. What the hell am I crying for? Keep saying I'm okay, I'm okay. Telling them I'm okay, I'm okay. Even though mascara's running down my face. Really, I'm okay, I'm okay, I'm okay. I'm okay, I'm okay. I'm okay, I'm okay.
Hey guys, today is Wednesday and I just finished cleaning in the kitchen. I still have a lot of stuff to do here, Sha, but I just swept the kitchen, did some organizing, although I still need to organize my condiment area and also put this plates in order. So yeah, how's today going? Today is going to be a very chill one. After this, I'll go have my bath and yeah, maybe go feed the birds and the chickens before I go have my bath. But yeah, they perceive the food. You guys see what birds did to my plantain? They finished it. They finished everything. Oh my god.
From the 80s, someone keeps back. I can't feel farther away. Wait on a moment to say that I want you. You know that I want you.
Hey, how you guys doing? Good morning. What time is it here? I like to talk about the time because it's around 12:20 p.m. or o'clock. So I'm about to head out. I'm heading out to film a video. I'm actually going to church. I'm going to my sister's church, but at the same time, since I'm within that area, I want to film a video that will be up before you guys see this vlog. How you guys doing? It's quite a boring day. I'm not gonna lie. Today's Thursday and I didn't go to work, and I'm not been going to work for like 2-3 weeks now. Not 2 weeks because of my kids on vacation, and I just had to. So I've been at home, but hopefully I'm going to start next month, which is in some few days time. But for now, I want to just head out to church. Let me use my spare time to pray and also film a video. Maybe since I'm going within that vicinity, I'll film a video on the cost of living in Port Harcourt, and yeah, basically things you should consider while moving to like some affordable places in Port Harcourt. So if it's something you guys are interested in, please check out that video. It should be up before this one. But now, how are you guys doing? I hope you're fine. And yeah, I just wanted to catch up with you guys. I finished cleaning and I wanted to start doing exercise today, but for some reason I changed my mind. Yeah, I can't even deal with myself. Let me hurry up, go to church and film the video. I don't know if it's just me, guys. I hate making up all the time. If I can avoid makeup, I avoid it. As I grow older, I just tend to not want to make up like at all. So whenever I don't make up, this is my go-to look. So it just makes me look a little put together, even if there's no makeup on my face. But we are done. My lipstick done. I might want to go with this, but I'll just check if I have some money for offering. Very important. When you're going to church, and I have something to tie my head with when I get to church, always make sure you have offering, especially if you're in Nigeria, please.
The hardest thing was trying to figure out how to set up and if you know, you know.
Daydreaming got me thinking that this can all be true.
Hey guys, good morning. How is your day going? I just finished eating breakfast. You guys can see that I'm wearing my cardigan, and that's because it's somehow cold this morning. The weather, it's about to rain. I don't know if you can see it. You won't be able to see it, but it's about to rain this morning, so it's a little cold. I decided to wear this so in case when it starts raining, I will not have to start looking for what to wear because I'm feeling just a little chilly. But other than that, how are you guys doing? Guys, you heard about what is going on, right? Hell, Iolodeche and his new mistress turned wife number 2. I commented on I'm usually the kind of person that I don't like to comment on people's page, especially when it has to do with the celebrities. I don't like to comment, especially when it's very controversial like this, but this one touched me so much that I had to comment. That it was so sad. I felt very bad for that lady. Like, guys, I don't even know what to say. Some men are just not human beings, because I don't think he has a heart. If you have a heart, how will you do that to someone's daughter? Imagine that being done to your own daughter. I said it in that text, in that comment I wrote underneath his post, that when he posted the first time, I was like, you're the original one, number one, and all that bullshit. I like, see, there's nothing about being number one. If she was your number one, you would have at least, I don't even want to go far. Like, I'm very upset, but I told in my mind, I don't even know if he will read it, but if he doesn't read it, whoever reads it, you at least gain something from that post. That's, by the way, I just pray that God heals her, because it's a lot of mental trauma, you know, a lot of mental trauma she'll be going through. Although it's looking like a cozy day, I'll just stay in my bed. I finished my morning routine. You guys already saw that. So when I wake up in the morning, the first thing I like to do is arrange my bed. It puts me in a very good space. So once my bed is looking clean, my room is looking clean, it just gives me a good start to my day. I'm going to end this vlog here and upload it today. I'll upload it on Sunday. Today is not Sunday, today is Friday, so I'll upload it on Sunday because I have a video going up today. Usually I do one time a week, but this week I just try to put out 3, even if I know that like my videos usually is a one time a week, like my vlog, which is this one you're seeing, it's going to be one time a week. Yeah, but all that being said, I'll talk to you guys in my next video. If I end it here, if I don't end it here, enjoy the rest of the video. Okay, bye.